Basic equipment for survival adventures. Welcome to our survival adventure. When venturing into the great outdoors, it's crucial to be prepared with the right equipment. Whether you're camping, hiking, or exploring, having the right gear can make all the difference in a survival situation. Let's take a closer look at some basic equipment that every adventurer should have in their survival kit. Of a multi-purpose survival knife being used to cut through branches and rope. First up, a versatile survival knife. A good quality knife is an essential tool for survival. Look for one with a fixed blade and a sharp edge for cutting, a sturdy handle for grip, and a durable sheath for safe storage. A multi-purpose knife can be used for cutting firewood, preparing food, building shelters, and many other tasks. Next, a waterproof tarp or shelter. Having a reliable shelter can provide protection from the elements and keep you warm and dry. Look for a tarp that is waterproof, durable, and lightweight. It should also be easy to set up and pack down. A tarp can be used to create a makeshift shelter, a ground cover, or even a signaling device. Fire starter tools are also crucial for survival. They can provide warmth, light, and a means to cook food. You can choose from various options, such as waterproof matches, a butane lighter, or a fire starter rod. It's essential to practice using these tools before your adventure and carry them in a waterproof container. Clean water is vital for survival. Having a reliable water filter or purification system can ensure you have access to safe drinking water in the wilderness. Look for a lightweight and portable water filter that can remove harmful bacteria, protozoa, and viruses from natural water sources. It's essential to research the water sources in the area you'll be exploring and choose a water filter that is appropriate for those sources. First aid kit. A comprehensive first aid kit is a must-have for any survival adventure. It should contain essential medical supplies such as bandages, gauze, antiseptics, tweezers, and other items for treating injuries and illnesses. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the contents of your first aid kit and know how to use them in case of an emergency. A flashlight. Lastly, a reliable flashlight is essential for navigating in the dark and signaling for help. Look for a flashlight that is durable, waterproof, and has a long battery life. It's also a good idea to carry extra batteries or a solar-powered charger. A flashlight can be a lifesaver in low light conditions or during emergencies. Remember, when it comes to survival adventures, being prepared is key. With the right equipment in your backpack, you can face any challenge that comes your way. Stay safe, be prepared, and enjoy your thrilling survival adventure in the great outdoors. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. We hope this guide has helped you understand the basic equipment you need for a successful and safe survival experience. Remember to always research and plan for your specific adventure, and never venture into the wilderness without the right gear. Happy exploring!